Don't those stitches look fun? These are what are called candle wicking stitches. You'll find stitches like this in menu G, stitches 1, 2, and 3. Now when you pick this stitch, you're in a menu called specialty stitches. Notice that the foot comes up with a question mark, and that's because that is a specialty foot. When you come in here and you can touch the question mark and touch the stitch, it will tell you it's a candle wicking stitch and requires specialty foot number and called the candle wicking foot. There's a part number, so if for any reason your store doesn't know what you're talking about, just give them that. Check out this foot. It's number 1. It's a cut out gigantic underneath because these stitches are thick. So you remember French knots that you might have done by hand years ago? This machine is going to stitch your French knots for you, and they're going to come over themselves so many times that a standard foot's going to get hung up on here when you stitch them. So that's why you need a foot with no underneath part. The undercarriage has been cut away. And just by making them larger or smaller can give you some of these other versions of this stitch. So when you touch the green check mark, you have the different stitches that you can work from, and then change some of the settings as you desire, depending on the look that you're after. We've talked about sewing out your decorative stitches. This is another reason why it's so important to see what they look like on fabric so you know what is in this machine.